So we're sitting here at TopGolf. Gonna go check it out for the first time, just so you guys know, you know, if you suck at golf or something, you're gonna be able to know how well it can go if you don't know anything about golf, because I absolutely have not played golf. The closest thing is putt-putt. So, I mean, this could be embarrassing, but it also could be content. So, first time ever at TopGolf. Let's go check it out. Alright, so here's our first attempt at TopGolf. Looks kind of cool, but it looks pretty intimidating for a first-time golfer. Alright, we're gonna try to hit this. I wish the lighting was over there, but it's not. It is what it is. So, 12 points there. I feel like a pro. Actually, I don't. If this was on the ground, if I was on the lower level, I would not be getting any points right now. 81 miles per hour. So, the cool thing is, they do sell alcohol here. I might not be good at golf, but I'm pretty good at drinking beer, so. It's pretty fun, actually. Actually enjoyed TopGolf. I think I might come back. I don't know anything about golf, but man, this is awesome. It's fun just knocking the hell out of the ball. So looking at the food, it looks like they got a big assortment of like bar food, burgers, salads, stuff like that. Interesting. I don't know what we're gonna go with yet. One thing to be prepared with if you're coming here and you never golf is, man, it is a tiring sport. You get sweaty. Like, I mean, of course it is hot outside, but I am sweating like my ass off. And also, I'd probably recommend not wearing jeans because it's making me sweat more. So I did just order some food. I decided, you know, I was going to try the sides because a lot of people talk about the sides, but I decided, you know what, I want to see what the real food tastes like. So I decided to go with this fried chicken heat wings. So it's got marinated fried chicken, habanero ranch, slaw, and tomatoes. Let's try it out. My wife, on the other hand, she decided she was going to go with pretzel bites. A little boring, but, you know, we'll try those too. Alright, so the food has just came out. Let's check out the food because, dude, I gotta say, this place has really good food and it's fun to play the golf and they have beer. It's gotta be a top tier place. Gotta be a top tier place. I tell you what, what does suck about this place is that my wife is actually better at the golf than me. Now the first thing, telltale sign of if food's good, it's always a french fry. So we're gonna start off with the french fry. Well, you gotta have two first. Oh, those are bomb. Definitely good. They got these cool looking pickles, which look pretty lit. If the chicken's anything. Alright, so we're gonna attempt to slay this chicken. Man, it looks amazing. It's just so weird that this place has food that looks this good quality. You wouldn't expect it. So here is the big test. That's real chicken. Real chicken as in not your typical fast food chicken. The quality is actually amazing. You can see that. It's pretty lit. Alright, so the fries were bomb. The chicken was bomb. Let's test my wife's pretzel bites. Dip it a little bit in that. I think this is cheese, maybe? It's like a queso. Absolutely bomb. That cheese is great. I would imagine this might be like a yellow brown mustard or something like that. Oh my god, that mustard. I don't know which one I like better, the cheese or the mustard. One thing for sure, this IPA is stellar. Good, good stuff. I'm coming back. Because I'm trying to film this. All right, so there you have it. We checked out TopGolf for the first time, and I give the approval for anybody who's questioning if they're capable of coming to TopGolf here, even without experience. I don't know how much of the golf got on there, but you know, it wasn't that good. But I had a blast. The food was great. Alcohol was great. And honestly, it's somewhere that you could actually take the kids. There was plenty of kids I've seen out there. And for the most part, you can't really go wrong. You can't mess up. So I totally give a big thumbs up to TopGolf. And I promise I will be back. This place was pretty awesome. If you're watching the video and you liked what you seen, it was a little bit informative, told you a little bit about TopGolf, and you enjoyed what you seen, please hit the subscribe button and like. Anyway, so I guess that's the end of the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.